In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink text in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add that extra touch of professionalism to your Canva designs, linking text can be a powerful tool. It's perfect for creating interactive documents, presentations, or even encouraging viewers to visit a specific website or page. So let's dive right in without further ado. First up, you want to begin by opening your design in Canva. Once you have your project on display, it's time to select the text that you want to hyperlink. By clicking on the text box, you'll activate editing mode. This is your cue to ensure the text is accurately highlighted, which confirms that you can make adjustments, such as adding links. Once your text is selected, you'll notice a floating toolbar appears above or near the text box. This toolbar is packed with helpful features you might already be familiar with. However, for our task today, we're interested in the three little dots indicating more options. Click on these dots to reveal additional features that might not be visible initially on the toolbar. In the expanded menu, you'll find several options, but the one we're focusing on is the link option. Click on the link button, and a small window will pop up asking for the URL or the page you wish to link. This functionality allows you to connect your text to a web page, another page in your document, or even email addresses. Now go ahead and input the desired URL or select the page you want to connect. If you're linking to another page within your Canva project, there's often a drop-down menu you can use to select the destination page. This feature is especially helpful when creating multi-page documents or presentations where you want seamless navigation. After you've entered the appropriate URL or selected the page, it's crucial to double-check the link. Ensuring it's correct can save you the hassle of broken links later on. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with your hyperlink, you can wrap things up by clicking Done. This will finalize your hyperlink and apply it to the selected text. With that final click, your text is now an interactive element within your design. Remember to save your work and, if necessary, test the link to confirm it's working as intended. This additional step can potentially flag any last-minute corrections needed before sharing your design. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to hyperlink text in Canva. This skill is an excellent addition to your Canva toolkit, encouraging user interaction and enhancing your design's functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.